goes long. Hoists it forward.
Abraham, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Looks to thread it through. Shaw. Rice. Abraham. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. And it's Rashford. Gets the better of his man. Crowd calling for him to shoot. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Oh, great defending. That needed doing. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. And out to safety. There's the end of the first half. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times on the first half.
Well, I think despite the scoreline, it's been watchable and enjoyable. We certainly had a vibrant start, and if we were going to see a goal, it should have come then. But the odds are favourable for this second half.
Well, after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. Already up and running for the second half. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Now it's Neymar. Neymar takes the long option. And here's Lewandowski. Neymar done very well to intervene. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Sergio Ramos concedes a free kick for that. Has a goal! Hits off target and by quite a way.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
Hoists it high.
England couldn't really be more watertight in midfield. Not a trickle is getting through.
De Gea gets rid without sophistication. Neymar plays it forward. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Rice. Sancho. It's got through to him. Kane has a pop! He scores! There was to be only one outcome.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
England take the lead, 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
And it's Beckham. And they win it back again. Going for goal! Oh, taken with style! A 2-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
England grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Now it's Kane. Tries to get it forward quickly. Keeps everyone guessing. Lewandowski just doesn't give up. You just know he'll be in there again before long.
Oh, look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't.
Vieira. And it's Lewandowski! It's in! And he's delivered his first in new colours.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
He's gone for it! And in it goes! They have stolen level at the last!
Scotland are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
So all square with almost no time remaining. Just brushed off the ball there. Forward it goes. There's no flag. He's there to receive it. Real chance! He's delivered all right!
And the chances of winning a game that may have gotten away from you are always greater with characters like this player. A strong personality that has more than likely secured another big win.
Well, you've got to say the odds on him missing from there. And the referee brings it to a close. Fabulous entertainment, drama in spades, and no one would have argued with a draw, but they have lost it. How do you